kids, let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. We are going to write the uppercase T. Begin at the top and draw a vertical line going down. Now draw a horizontal line going to the right. Let's continue writing the lowercase t. Start at the top and draw a vertical line going down. Then go to the middle and draw a horizontal line across. Well done! You are getting better with each try. Keep on practicing. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!